So to start things off, we're going to come over to shopify.com. And once you're into shopify.com, we're going to create an account with it. So to create an account with it, what you're going to do is you're going to come down here and click on Start Free Trial, and it's going to take you into the store creation. Now, once you go into the store creation, it's going to tell you to get started, and it's going to ask you a few questions where it's going to say, which of these best describes you. You could go with I'm just starting, I'm already selling online or in person. I'm going to go with I'm just starting and click on next. Then it says, where would you like to sell? I'm going to click an online store and click on next. And it says, what do you plan to sell first? I'm going to go with dropshipping products and click on next. Once we do that, it says, where will your business be located? You're obviously going to add in your business location. So in my case, it's Pakistan, and you can go ahead and add, whatever location you have. And once you do that, it's going to bring you here where it's going to ask you to sign up with these different ways. So I'm going to go ahead and click on sign up with email. And I'm simply going to go ahead and add an email for myself and sign in with that. So I'm going to go ahead and be using a temp mail for now. You don't necessarily need to follow this step. You can simply go ahead and use any other email that you have.